First step, learning how to shut down your computer. So using your cursor, click the start and you will see power. Click that. You will have three choices. You can have sleep, shut down, and restart. So let's do shut down. When you click that, your computer will start shutting down. So if you have something that's working, it will save and it will close automatically. Okay. Takes a while. There you go. So if you didn't save, you will lose your data. If you don't have a file name, then it will stop and eventually ask you to save that file. Okay, if it takes long, you have to click cancel. Go back to that notepad because it says there you want to save the untitled file. So you do save and put the file name, then choose where you want to put that. So for me, I just want to put it in the documents and then save. Then, okay, close that. Same as with your Excel. If there's no file name yet or you haven't done anything, just don't save. Okay, and all the folders back to shut down. Then your computer will shut down. Okay.